to start with the investment before, kailangan mo ng 100,000 pesos. Would you imagine? But right now, in my 40s, and I'm glad right now that you can start already investing with 1,000 pesos. So, kumbaga, the barriers mas lumiliit, and in terms of the products available in the market, before, puro local lang ang mga available na funds like local stock market, local bonds. But right now, mas gumaganda din, and kumbaga the options are expanded as well, so you can not just invest inside the Philippines, pero you can also invest outside, like mga offshore, whether fixed income, or equity. For a lot of married people out there, di ba, dumadaan din tayo sa mga pagkakataon na, in terms of finances, minsan dumarating sa pagkakataon na na tipong medyo hard up, challenging, di ba? Parang disyerto ang financial life natin, right? Dumating kami dyan. So, I remember pag mga ganong panahon, you just make with what you do, either you prepare dinner for your wife, kumbaga, kung sanay na siya nagluto, then ikaw magluto sa kanya. If you have a park nearby sa inyong community, then you can just go to the park and then set up a breakfast.
Kasi you are a guy who has been an expert in finances for decades. And now, I assume lang maybe you are in your 40s pero mukhang 20s, no? in your 40s, ano yung naging change in terms of strategy, in terms of investment? Ano yung mga biggest adjustment in how you save, budget, and invest?
Well, actually, as iba-iba tayo ng stage ng buhay, and as we progress, nag-iiba yung ating mga expense structure, as we call. Like, for example, if you're like late 20s, when I was married, syempre wala pang kids niyan, but as the kids grow up, yung expense dumadagdag, di ba? And of course, with certain expense adjustments, like for example, mga school bus, tuition fee, nagmamahal every year, di ba? And of course, the other miscellaneous expenses, we also would be more, kumbaga, parang circumspect as regards expenses, na kumbaga yung mga variable expenses, kung dati medyo mas malaki pa expense na going out on dates, na magsisimula pa lang kayo mag-asawa, pag mga 40s na, lumalaki na yung mga bata, medyo konting cut ng kaunti, pero but still, within the budget pa rin. Like for example, every month, me and my wife also have that, nagmamansary pa rin kami, of course, di ba? So, we still have that budget for us, husband and wife. But of course, the income as well, nagkakaroon din ng, kumbaga, na-upgrade din because, maraming opportunities na dumarating as well. So, siguro, mas nagiging refined lang how you do things. And of course, ito nga parang I was always telling Marvin as well, when I was starting in the banking industry, to start with the investment before, kailangan mo ng 100,000 pesos. Would you imagine? But right now, in my 40s, and I'm glad right now that you can start already investing with 1,000 pesos. So, kumbaga, the barriers mas lumiliit, and in terms of the products available in the market, before, puro local lang ang mga available na funds like local stock market, local bonds. But right now, mas gumaganda din, and kumbaga the options are expanded as well, so you can not just invest inside the Philippines, pero you can also invest outside, like mga offshore, whether fixed income, or equity. So kumbaga, you refine how you manage your expenses. You also refine your investment process as well. So, but yeah, it's kumbaga, long and short of it, parang sumasabay ka rin sa panahon. You also get savvier as the times. And I think that's what's important din, na hindi ka nagiging stagnant na kung ano ka nung 20s, early 30s na, it worked Parang it should not be, because everyday talaga may bago sa finance. So I think yun yung mga naging adjustments, the refinements in terms of the expense and then the investment process.
Right. What's inspiring with you kasi you just keep on learning, level up. Hindi ka na kontento na, ito kasi ginawa namin nung previous decade ito na yun.
Yeah.
But I like how you are inspiring us that even if you have been an expert na, CIS ka na, constantly you have been updating your knowledge, which napaka-importante. And blessing nga kasi, yung barrier for entry before, na napakamahal para invest mataas ngayon, 1,000 na lang, di ba?
Yeah, imagine.
Mas mura.
Oo,
And
imagine
blessing.
niya.
And ito pa, yung mga knowledge, mas madali mo siyang makuha. Hindi sa mga establishments. Pero syempre, yung caveat doon, huwag ka dapat kukuha sa fake news. Nandyan nga, pero mali. Importante. Nasa tama yung sources mo, right?
That's right. That's right. And of course, you have Stock Smarts na, partner for this, di ba? And thank you as well for spreading legitimate knowledge, not fake news.
Right. Nung nakwento mo, no, na as you have grown, matured, nag-iba yung preference mo in saving, investing, yung mga date nights mo, di ba, na-preserve pa rin pero nabawasan ng konti kasi ibang allocation na punta sa kids. Ano yung naging thought process mo noon na, ito yung mababawas ng konti para sa kids, or ito kasi kailangan ng kids, so ito yung una, tas kung ano yung natira, yan yung sa investment. Ano yung naging thought process mo doon?
Well, kasi as you become a parent, the focus changes, kasi of course single, focus mo sarili mo lang, right? When you get married or perhaps first few months or years of marriage, focus nyo kayong dalawa lang. But when a little child already comes into your life na wala namang ibang, kumbaga, a vulnerable soul, a vulnerable child, no, na of course, walang ibang aasan kundi ikaw, and it's your responsibility as a parent, then doon na napupunta yung focus. But of course, hindi rin sinasabi natin na hindi mo rin dapat kalimutan yung relationship niyo as husband and wife, right? Kasi syempre, sabi nga, the greatest gift you can give to your child is loving your spouse, 'di ba? Your spouse. So kumbaga hindi mo rin siya dapat kalimutan. So it's a balancing act, and siguro for us what worked is pinag-usapan naming mag-asawa na, so we have a child already, so ito yung mga gastos. So kumbaga, how do we keep the relationship going? How do we keep the fire the fire burning, na kumbaga na-answer pa rin yung needs ng kids, and yung relationship natin mag-asawa is nandoon pa rin kasi syempre, 'di ba, the love that you give to your kid just overflows dun sa kung anong meron kayo mag-asawa, 'di ba? So we see it that way. Kaya we had we did talk, and we did kumbaga settled for a fixed particular amount and a certain date, no, for I don't know for our viewers here, kasi 'di ba usually lang naman sa mag-asawa nag-anniversary, 'di ba, lalabas birthday or go out ng weekends ng family, pero kami it was a conscious decision to have yung mansari. Nag-mansari pa rin kami even at this age, no, na every month we take a time apart for ourselves na kaming dalawa lang. Kaming dalawa, just talk as husband and wife na of course hindi mo mapag-uusapan in front of the kids, 'di ba? And just the two of us. So that's the thought process. Kumbaga a balancing act, and the agreement between husband and wife. And I think that's the most important, yung pag-uusap saka yung agreement ninyo mag-asawa kung paano niyo to gagawin.
Right. Grabe, nakakakilig. Wow. Kasi, di ba, nagmamansary pa rin kayo. For people who are curious, pang ilang mansary na ba yung sineselebrate? Ako, dapat tama yan. Nako, dapat tama yan. Magagalit si Mrs. kung mali. Wrong question. Parang dito kaya yata nahirapan. Kanina sa investment.
Marami-rami na. I don't count. Kasi if you're happy, you don't count na.
Yun, good answer.
Di ba? You just enjoy the moment.
Tama.
You also do that as well, yung mga ganun, mga kahit small dates, di ba? I mean, you're married as well, di ba? So it really helps, di ba? Yes. Yung mga ganyang mga labas-labas na every so often.
Yeah. Napaka-importante yun kasi me and my wife, we always have a date. It doesn't need to be expensive eh. Sometimes, yung quality time na kayong dalawa lang, Tapos may
Mm.
sinabi ka, 'di ba, one of the gifts that you can give to your children is yung loving relationship yung mag-asawa. I
Yeah.
have a slight variation of that which I mentioned in
Mm.
our wedding. I just got married
Mm.
noong 2022. Sinabi
Mm.
ko sa parents ko that one of the
Mm.
greatest gifts that they can give to me as a child nila
Mm.
is a strong
Mm.
marriage. And now, being
Yes.
married, 'di ba?
Oo.
I look forward to
Yeah.
the day na because pinapatibay mo yung relasyon mo, dun kasi rin maka-anchor eh. Siyempre, aside sa kay God, siyempre, yung anak
Of
mo
course.
nandun sa foundation ng family. So, maganda yung ginagawa mo
Yes.
na may date night na
Mm.
priority pa rin na kayong mag-asawa.
Yes, exactly. So yun nga, as you've said, no, either basta may set budget lang yan. So either we go out on movie, we eat, you know, we get a massage, ganyan, couples massage. So yung mga ganun ba na, you know, na basta within budget. Within budget.
So for the married people who are watching that they want to date their spouse, give some ideas that worked for you. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat mag-work sa kanila, no? Pero any ideas na not necessarily expensive, pero quality?
Yeah. Well, I don't know, but for a lot of married people out there, di ba, dumadaan din tayo sa mga pagkakataon na, you know, in terms of finances, minsan dumarating sa pagkakataon na na tipong medyo hard up, challenging, di ba? Parang disyerto ang financial life natin, right? Dumading kami dyan. So, I remember pag mga ganong panahon, you just make with what you do, you know, either you prepare dinner for your wife, kumbaga, kung sanay na siya nagluto, then ikaw magluto sa kanya. If you have a park nearby sa inyong community, then you can just go to the park and then set up a breakfast, di ba? So, ganon, that would be good. You can also do things for your wife, no? Parang lalo na sa mga yung tinatawag na love language na service na ko, pwedeng for the meantime, ikaw muna yung gumawa ng paglinis ng CR, ganyan, you prepare the bed, you prepare breakfast in bed, you know, or minsan, kunwari, yung pwede mo siyang i-manicure, pedicure, gano'n, yung mga ganong simple stuff but that you can also do to your wife, or yung mga tipong do it yourself na card, or just a simple handwritten love letter, you know. So those would be some good things, no? Or even a poem, no? Even a poem, you can do that for your spouse, and kuha ka lang ng bulaklak dyan sa tabi, you know, and then that's it. So these things need not be expensive, and as you've said nga earlier, no, it's really the quality, no, it's really the quality that's most important. So yun yung mga tips, no, na mga cheap thrills, but not less more meaningful kapag may budget.
Yes.